When weaving in tails with multiple strands of yarn, you have a couple options. You could either try to thread all, like I have 3 tails here, you could either try to thread all 3 of them through the eye needle at the same time and weave them in, or do it separately. Let me show you how. So with these 3 strands here, if I fold them all in half and pinch them between my thumb and my first finger, I can gently guide them through the yarn needle. And at this point, I can weave in as though it's one strand of yarn. When you're weaving in tails, you want to make sure that you weave back and forth in your work in at least 3 directions for a nice secure fit. And then cut your tail close to the work. All right, let me show you how we do this if we're weaving them in individually. Here are those 3 strands again at the end of the work, and I could simply just weave each one of them in individually, and this is sometimes more helpful than the other way if the tails are showing up in your work. If they're adding too much bulk to the work, then it's a better option to weave them in individually in different directions from each other as well. So we'll weave this one back and forth on itself in multiple directions. Then when I grab the second tail, I'll make sure I don't work over the same exact spot that I worked the last tail. And that's going to give us less bulk in our fabric. Follow, like, and share for more tips. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. And if you check out the video description, I've provided links for everything we talked about in this video. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.